Take to take, no take to no take. एक बार तो see. Spoken English and broken English. Hello everyone, back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I am doing good too. So let's start. Today's video is about once upon a time when India was under the British rule, our freedom fighters. All Indians joined together in the freedom fight. But in that process, Indians learned some spoken English in broken English too. Yes, in the broken way too. For learning is first about listening and hearing. Thus, the vendors who used to go to the British colonies to sell their saris or shout out their trade calls for selling the trade or for selling materials, they used to call out to the Britishers' wives there in this way, Madam Ji, take to take, no take to no take, ek baar to see my sari. Yes, impressed by the spoken English, the Britishers' wives did come out and did give a look into the saris, and happily the vendors used to sell quite a number of them. This is the impact of listening, because language is first listening, then understanding, then speaking, then writing. Here today I will talk first about the speaking part of English language. Yes, many say, Lagnajita, it's difficult for me how to talk. It's difficult for I don't know the language quite well. How can I speak fluently? How can I start speaking in English? Oh, I get frightened. I have stage fright. Don't worry. Be happy, for you have you with you. Don't worry, be happy, for you have you with you. Go to the mirror, stand there and start speaking to yourself in short sentences. And remember, start examining the sentences in the question form. For example, what's your name? What is your name? Yes, think in English, start speaking it in front of the mirror. You can't think in English? Want to think in your native tongue? Try it out. But remember, take your challenge. Write yourself down that in 10 days I would speak 30 lines fluently every day. And thus you will see that you are not thinking in any other language but English. And so you will find you are not thinking in any other language, but you're thinking in the language you want to speak, that is English. So here are some ways you can start. Start with question statements. Remember, the question statements should not be in the same order. For example, if you ask the first question to yourself, what is your name? You cannot ask the second one, where do you stay? Because they will be quite in an easy and same sequence line. So start questioning, but do not say the answer. If you say the answer to yourself, out, you're bowled out. Yes, take this challenge, start. So first, let's start with the easiest line. What's your name? Second, where do you stay? What's your name? What is your birthday? Hey, which color do you like? Orange or pink or white? What's your favorite food? Do you have a pet? Do you like gardening? Who is your favorite author? What is your ambition? Hey, what is the color of the walls in your bedroom? And the 10th one, what is your waking up time? Try doing it like this and be fast. Faster, fastest in only asking yourself questions for 10 consecutive days, but do not answer them. Note the 10 questions down, write the answers in English. Check if the tense and the grammar is correct. Check it with your friend, check it with your teacher, talk to yourself, check it through a book. Well, there are many ways of checking it out. So keep practicing this. For remember, practice makes a man perfect. Yes, practice makes a man perfect. Keep practicing. And if you want more such videos on spoken English, write in the comment box spoken English. Write in the comment box spoken English and what is your takeaway from this video. So before I end this video, let me give you 3 questions that you can answer in the comment box again. Number 1, which is the first school you attended? Number 1, which is the first school you attended? Number 2, who is your favorite author? Who is your favorite author? And number 3, how many vowels are there in the word English? Keep watching, sharing and subscribe. Bye-bye.